All right, in today's update, we're going to do a little sneak peek of the interior and the bed, and show you how I finished up the door, and I don't know, maybe a few other things. So y'all come on and see what I got going on. All right, what little camper would be complete without a custom-made headboard? Took me a couple of chair legs. Used them for fancy spindle tops on the headboard. Got some 2x2s there. Some leftover scrap. Gonna go up front and keep us about 8 inches off the front wall. So let me get it up there and I'll show you. All right, there you go. It keeps about 8 inches off the front wall. Use that for cord management and just throwing loose junk back there you don't want laying around. I'm gonna build a little shelf for put phones on and stuff, but there you go, one mini camper custom headboard. I'll get it out and paint it up. All right, can't stand it no more. Time for a cleanup. Well, the campers need daylight for the first time. We gotta get this shop cleaned back up so we can continue working without breaking our neck. We got stuff strode everywhere. Get in trouble for tracking dust in the house every day. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Got always a lot of questions on the doors for the teardrop campers. How do you make them and what did you do and stuff like that. I've already put out one video kind of on the last way I built the door. On that one I just cut the hole out of the 3/4 inch plywood wall and used that. But on this one I did something a little bit different, so maybe y'all be interested in seeing this. I'll kind of document how I did it so y'all can get some ideas. All right, this is what I'm gonna try out for this door. I'm just using 2x4s and I Craig jigged them together. That's a playhouse storage shed window I picked up off Amazon. Like you see, I just Craig jigged the 2x4s together. And then I'm gonna come back over it with a different skin and trim it all out, and I'll show you that also while I'm doing it. And we got the hole framed out. I'll also show you how I'm gonna kind of weatherproof it and what I do as far as making a door seal. All right, I had a change of plans. Just wasted about 2 hours of last night's engineering because I changed my mind on how I wanted to build the door. As you can see, I lost that much weight. Went with just a simple 2x2 frame and a couple of 2x4s. And used a piece of leftover T111. I'll get a better shot in a minute where I can let go of it. All right, there you go. All right, so we're coming along. That's what's basically gonna look like. I like that look a lot better than what I originally was gonna put on there. Anyway, I'll keep on working. All right, so we got the door complete and installed. As you can see, I used heavy duty gate hinges. I've already told you that's a storage shed window, playhouse window I got off Amazon. This is a screen door kit from Lowe's. And then I'm gonna come back on the back side and put my weather stripping board, kind of the threshold all the way around it. But yeah, that's the door, complete door. I'll come back on the inside and cover it with something. There you go. One tiny camper door. Yeah, I'm playing around with the color. All right, you can see I put a little latch here for security. We're gonna have one on the inside too, but here I went with, this is what I was talking about with the, on the inside of the wall, I put this trim all the way around. That way the door rests up against that, and I'll put a piece of some weather seal. On the bottom, it's gonna be a piece of aluminum angle iron across the bottom. The same stuff. Anyway, that is the completed door there. All right, we got the door all working up right. Now we're heading on to trim, the dreaded trim part. You can see I've already got that one painted there. Got it all trimmed out. Now I'm pulling it back off, painting it, and putting it back on. So that's where we're at right now. I'll get back with y'all when I get along a little further. All right, we got most of the roof on. As you can see, I got trim done, but I'm not gonna show you that. I'm going with a different, trying something different this time. I'm gonna leave an overhang. Got the back porch framed in, back porch cover. Anyway, there's where I'm at. I'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, we got the roof skin complete. And what I plan on doing, sorry about the light there. What I plan on doing is I'm gonna take my poor man fiberglass and roll it over, staple it underneath, and then trim on top of it. And I'm thinking that should help. All water just dripping straight off, nothing holding on the sides, nothing to trap water down here, just runs right off the camper. Shouldn't be no more water issues like that. Which I probably created a new water issue on the back porch, but I don't care because it's gonna be in the garage or covered the whole time anyway. This camper is. But that's all the sneak peeks y'all get. Next time you see it, it will all be complete, and I'll give you the grand tour, all the electrical and what I came up with. Till then, we'll see y'all down the road.